Hello, and welcome back to English Friends Chat.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy you are here with us.
I am Amma.
And I am Ryan.
We are here to help you practice English in a slow and easy way.
If you are new here, welcome to our family. Please click the subscribe button and like this video.
Yes, please. It helps us very much. When you subscribe, we can make more videos for you.
So, Amma, how are you today?
I am very well, thank you, Ryan. I am feeling very calm today.
Calm? That is a nice feeling. Why are you calm?
Because it is evening. The sun is down, the moon is up. It is time to relax.
I love the evening. It is my favorite time of day.
Me too. It is quiet. The busy day is finished.
Exactly. I like to sit in my favorite chair. I like to drink a cup of hot tea.
Oh, tea is perfect for the evening. What tea do you drink?
I usually drink chamomile tea. It helps me sleep. It is very warm and nice.
That sounds lovely. I like hot milk with a little honey. It makes me feel sleepy.
Warm milk and honey. That sounds very cozy.
Yes, cozy. That is a great word for tonight.
So, we are relaxed. We are cozy. What are we going to talk about today?
Today, we have a very special topic. It is a secret for learning English faster.
A secret? I love secrets. Tell me.
The topic is how to think in English before you sleep.
Think in English before sleep? That sounds interesting.
It is. It is a very good time to practice. Your brain is quiet. You're in bed. It is the perfect time.
I usually think about my problems before I sleep. That is a bad habit.
We all do that, Ryan. But tonight, we will learn to think about happy things in English.
I am ready. Teach me, Amma.
Okay, let's imagine we are in bed.
Okay, I am imagining it. My bed is soft. My room is dark.
Good. Now, the first way to think in English is to name the things in your room.
Name the things? You mean say the English words?
Yes. Look around your room. What do you see?
In my bedroom, I see my pillow.
Pillow. That is a good word. Ryan, what is a pillow?
A pillow is the soft thing you put your head on.
Yes, it is soft. You sleep on it. So you look at your pillow and you think, this is my pillow. The pillow is soft.
This is my pillow. The pillow is soft. Okay, that is easy.
It is very easy. What else do you see?
I see my blanket.
Blanket. That is another important word. Can you explain it simply?
A blanket is the big cloth that covers you. It keeps you warm.
Perfect. It keeps you warm. So you pull up your blanket and you think, this is my blanket. It is warm.
This is my blanket. It is warm. I like my blanket.
Very good, Ryan. You are thinking in English.
It is simple. I don't need to make big sentences.
No, simple sentences are best. The lamp is off. The window is closed. The room is quiet.
The room is quiet. I like that sentence. It makes me feel safe.
Yes, feeling safe helps you learn. When you're safe, your brain is happy.
So step 1 is look and name.
Correct. Look at things in your room and say their English names in your head. Do not speak out loud. Just think.
Just think. Shh. Quietly.
Exactly. Now step 2. Step 2 is the replay.
The replay? Like in a football game?
A little bit like that. To replay means to watch again. You watch your day again in your mind.
Ah, I understand. I remember what I did today.
Yes, but you must do it in English and use the past tense.
The past tense. Okay. I walked. I ate.
Yes. Start with the morning. Ryan, what did you do this morning?
Let me think. This morning, I woke up.
Good. I woke up. What time?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Perfect sentence. What did you do next?
I brushed my teeth.
Excellent. I brushed my teeth. Did you drink coffee?
Oh yes, always. I drank hot coffee.
I drank hot coffee. Notice, viewers, Ryan is using simple sentences. He is not telling a long, difficult story.
No, just small steps. I woke up. I brushed my teeth. I drank coffee.
Exactly. You list the actions of your day.
What if I don't know a word?
That is a great question. If you don't know a word, skip it. Do not worry.
Do not worry.
No. If you stop to look at a dictionary, you will wake up. We want to sleep.
You are right. If I look at my phone, the light will wake me up.
Yes. So if you don't know the word, just skip it. Think about the next thing.
Okay, so I think about my morning. Then I think about my lunch.
Yes. Tell me about your lunch, Ryan. Think in English.
I ate a sandwich. It was good. I drank water.
Very good. And then think about the afternoon.
I worked. I talked to my friend. I walked home.
You see, it is a story of your day. It helps your brain remember English verbs.
And it is relaxing. It is boring, but in a good way.
Yes, it is boring in a good way. It helps you fall asleep.
Sometimes when I try to sleep, I worry about tomorrow.
That is normal. Many people worry, but we can change the worry into English practice.
How? How do we change worry?
That is step 3. Step 3 is the plan.
The plan.
Yes, think about 3 small things you want to do tomorrow.
Only 3?
Only 3. Keep it simple. Think about tomorrow morning.
Okay, tomorrow morning. I will make a nice breakfast.
I will make a nice breakfast. That is a happy thought.
I will wear my favorite blue shirt.
I will wear my blue shirt. That is a good plan. One more.
I will listen to a podcast.
I will listen to a podcast. Maybe English Friends Chat?
Of course, always English friends chat.
So now you are not worrying. You are planning happy things.
I will eat. I will wear my shirt. I will listen. It feels positive.
Yes, it stops the bad thoughts. It brings good thoughts.
I like this. It is like a mental list.
Yes, a list in your mind.
Amma, can I tell you another thing I do?
Please, Ryan, tell us.
Sometimes before I sleep, I say thank you.
Oh, that is beautiful. Being grateful.
Grateful? That is a big word. What does grateful mean?
To be grateful means to say thank you for what you have.
Yes, to feel happy about your life.
So, you think about things you are grateful for?
Yes, I lie in bed. I close my eyes. And I think, I am grateful for my warm bed.
That is a perfect sentence.
I am grateful for my health.
Yes, very important.
I am grateful for my friends.
I agree. Friends are very special.
And I am grateful for our viewers.
Me too. I'm very grateful for everyone listening right now.
When I think thank you, I feel warm inside. My heart feels soft.
It is a wonderful way to end the day. It makes your dreams happy.
Happy dreams are the best dreams.
So let's review the 3 steps, Ryan.
Okay. 1. Look and name. Name the pillow, the blanket, the lamp. 2. The replay. Remember your day. I woke up. I ate. I worked. 3. The plan. Think of 3 happy things for tomorrow.
And the bonus step, be grateful. Say thank you.
It sounds so easy when you explain it, Amma.
It is easy. English does not have to be hard. It can be part of your life,
Even when we are in pajamas?
especially when we are in pajamas.
Pajamas, I like that word. Pajamas.
What are pajamas, Ryan?
Pajamas are the comfortable clothes you wear to sleep.
Yes, soft shirts and soft pants.
I have blue pajamas. What color are your pajamas, Amma?
I have green pajamas with small white stars.
Stars. That is perfect for sleeping.
Yes, I like them. They make me smile.
You know, Amma, sometimes I talk to myself in English before I sleep.
You talk to yourself out loud?
No, in my head. I have a conversation.
A conversation with who?
With myself. I ask, Ryan, are you tired? And I answer, yes, I am very tired.
That is funny, but it is very good practice.
Did you have a good day, Ryan? Yes, I had a good day.
You are interviewing yourself.
Yes, I am the journalist and the star.
That is a fun idea. Our viewers can do that too. Ask yourself simple questions
Are you happy? Are you warm? Are you sleepy?
and answer simply, "Yes, I am."
Yes, I am. It is very repetitive.
Repetition is good. We learn by repeating.
We learn by repeating. See, I am doing it.
You are a very good student, Ryan.
Thank you, Teacher Amma.
Ryan, do you count sheep?
Count sheep? 1 sheep, 2 sheep?
Yes, people say it helps you sleep.
No, I don't count sheep. I count English words.
You count words? How?
I try to think of 10 words that start with A.
Oh, a game.
Yes, apple. Ant arm art.
Amazing.
Awesome.
Angry.
April.
That is a great game for bed. It is slow.
Yes, if I cannot sleep, I play the alphabet game in my head.
It makes your brain work a little bit, but not too much.
Exactly. If I get to Z'd, I am usually asleep.
Zebra.
Zoo.
0.
Z.
Ryan, wake up. Do not sleep yet.
Sorry, I was practicing.
We have a few more minutes.
You are right. I am awake. I am awake.
Talking about sleep makes me feel sleepy too.
The music is very relaxing today.
Yes, we want our viewers to feel relaxed. Maybe some viewers are in bed right now.
If you are in bed listening to us, shh, close your eyes.
Listen to our voices. Let the English enter your ears gently.
You don't need to understand every word.
No, just listen to the rhythm, the sound of the language.
It is like a song.
Yes, a slow, quiet song.
Amma, what is the last thing you do before you close your eyes completely?
The very last thing,
Yes, the final moment.
I set my alarm clock.
Ah, the alarm clock. That is important.
Yes, I check it 2 times. Is it 7 a.m.? Yes, okay.
I do that too. I check my phone. 7 a.m. Okay. Good night, phone.
Good night, phone. That is funny.
We must be polite to our technology.
You are right. Ryan, do you dream in English?
Sometimes, usually I dream in my native language, but sometimes simple English appears.
That is a very good sign. It means your brain is learning.
Last week, I dreamed I was talking to you, Amma. We were drinking tea.
In the dream?
Yes, and I said, please pass the sugar in English.
Wow, please pass the sugar. That is a great sentence.
I woke up and I felt very proud.
You should be proud. Proud. That is the word we learned before. It means feeling good about what you did.
Yes, I was proud of my dream.
So, viewers, thinking in English before sleep helps you dream in English.
It connects your day to your night.
It connects your waking life to your sleeping life.
That sounds magical.
Learning a language is a little bit magical. You are changing your brain.
You are becoming a new person, an English speaker.
Yes, I am an English speaker. Say that before you sleep.
I am an English speaker. I like that. It is a strong affirmation.
It gives you confidence.
Confidence is key.
Okay, Ryan, I think we have given our friends many good ideas.
Yes, we have. Naming things, replaying the day, planning tomorrow, being grateful, and the alphabet game.
That is a lot of tools for bedtime.
You don't have to do all of them. Just pick one.
Yes, pick one that you like. Try it tonight. Now, let's review the new words we used today. Repetition helps us remember.
Yes. Let's look at the words again.
The first word was pillow.
Pillow. Pillow. The soft cushion for your head. I sleep on my pillow.
Good. The second word was blanket.
Blanket. Blanket. The warm cover on the bed. The blanket keeps me warm.
The third word was cozy.
Cozy. Cozy. It means warm, comfortable, and safe. My bed is very cozy.
Next, we had replay.
Replay. To play again. To watch the memory of your day in your mind. I replay my morning.
And we talked about grateful.
Grateful. Feeling thankful. Saying thank you for good things. I am grateful for my tea.
And finally, pajamas.
Pyjamas. The clothes for sleeping. I wear blue pajamas.
Perfect. Now, Ryan, let's play a small game to relax.
I love games. What game?
This game is called Night or Day.
Night or day? Okay. How do we play?
I will say a word. You tell me if it belongs to the night or the day.
That sounds easy and fun. Viewers, you play with us. Guess night or day.
Ready?
Ready.
The first word is sun.
Day. The sun is for the day.
Correct. Next word. Moon.
Night. The moon is beautiful at night.
Good. Next word. Breakfast.
Day. We eat breakfast in the morning.
Next word. Dream.
Night. We dream when we sleep at night.
But you can daydream.
That is true. But usually, dream is for night.
Okay, you win. Next word. Work.
Day. Usually day. Some people work at night, but mostly day.
True. Next word. Owl.
Ooh, the bird? Night. Owls wake up at night.
Yes. Hoo-hoo.
Hoo-hoo. That is the sound of an owl.
Next word. Coffee.
Day. Definitely day. No coffee at night.
Why no coffee at night?
Because then you cannot sleep.
You are right. Next word. Stars.
Night. We see stars in the dark sky.
Next word. Lunch.
Day. Lunch is in the middle of the day.
And the last word. Silence.
That is a nice word. Silence. I think night. The night is silent.
I agree. The day is noisy. The night is silent.
I like the silent night.
Good job, Ryan. Did you get them all right, viewers?
I am sure they did. They are very smart.
That was a relaxing game.
It made me think about the difference between being awake and being asleep.
Yes, the day is for action. The night is for thinking and resting. We are coming to the end of our time together.
The time went very fast.
It always does when we are having fun.
I feel very relaxed now, Amma.
I am happy to hear that. I hope our viewers feel relaxed too.
I hope they are ready to sleep or ready to have a calm day.
Remember, you can listen to this video when you're in bed.
Yes, put your phone on the table. Close your eyes and listen.
Let our voices help you think in English.
Try the steps tonight. Look at your pillow. Say pillow.
Replay your day. I woke up. I ate.
And plan for tomorrow. I will be happy.
It is small practice, but it makes a big difference.
Consistency is key. Do it every night.
Now we have our favorite part, the question of the day.
I am ready. What is the question, Amma?
Today's question is simple and cozy. What is one thing you are grateful for today?
Oh, I love that question. What is one thing you are grateful for?
Please write your answer in the comments.
You can write a simple sentence. I am grateful for my family.
Or I'm grateful for my dog.
Or I am grateful for coffee.
Or I'm grateful for this video.
We would love that. We read every comment.
Yes, we love reading your happy thoughts. It makes us happy.
It is a circle of happiness.
So please, share your gratitude with us.
And before you go to sleep, remember to click the like button.
And subscribe if you want more cozy English lessons.
We are here for you every week.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
We know your time is important. Thank you for sharing it with English Friends Chat.
We are proud of you.
Yes, you practiced English today. That is an achievement.
Be proud, be happy, and sleep well.
Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams.
Good night. See you next time.
Bye-bye.